Hello everyone, magandang araw po sa inyong lahat and welcome to our YouTube channel. Once again, this is Rofil Lacson and for today's video mga kaibigan, pag-usapan po natin itong top 3 best trading brokers in the Philippines. Dito rin po ako nagtitrade with these brokers since I was a beginner and up until now na kahit papano nagiging profitable na po ako. So kung naghahanap ka ng trusted and reliable na broker kung saan pwede ka ring mag-trade, even if you are a beginner, naghahanap ka ng favorable experience as a professional trader, tapusin mo lang panuorin ang video na to at ma-evaluate mo kung saan ka possible hiyang with this top 3 brokers na pag-uusapan natin. So let's proceed. First in our list, itong Exness, a reputable and regulated broker, at meron po itong 4.5 trillion monthly trading volume. Kaya as you can see, numbers don't lie kung gaano po ito kalaki ang broker na to. At dito ko ma-connect yung sinabi kong efficient dahil po sa fast deposit and withdrawal. May mga ibang broker kasi na mabilis mag-deposit but medyo may konting hassle kapag nag-withdraw ka na ng yung funds. But the good news about Exness dito sa Pilipinas, with the most common mode of payment for deposit and withdrawals such as GCash, Maya, bank transfer, and among others, mapadeposit man yan or withdrawal, in minutes, nakaprocess na po yung transactions natin. And with standard account, meron lang po itong minimum na $10 deposit. Nakadepende kung anong mode of payment ang gagamitin natin. And $200 minimum deposit for professional accounts. At eto pa, low and stable spreads. Ibig sabihin, hindi nagbabago-bago masyado yung spreads, yung i-charge sa atin the moment tayo ay nagtitrade. At bukod dito, napakababa for as low as 0.1 pips. Kaya sobrang advantageous nito for professional traders, lalong-lalo na sa mga gumagamit ng EAs or expert advisors. And with the 70 plus MetaTrader servers globally, kaya guaranteed walang sablay yung magiging trades natin. And nako-customize din po yung leverage. For sure, alam mo to, magiging favorable din po ito sa atin, etong no overnight charges on most assets or itong tinatawag na swaps. Now, kung gusto mong ma-explore and malaman ang iba pang mga informations and details about this broker, maglalagay po ako ng link sa description ng video natin, kaibigan, gaya po nito. And you can simply click it at dito ka directly iraroute sa homepage na makikita mo sa screen ngayon. Pwede mong basahin ang mga details na nandito like itong trading. So makikita natin dito ang mga types of accounts na ino-offer ng Exness to their clients. Itong markets, anong klaseng CFDs ang pwede po nating i-trade or itong mga instruments. The platform, itong mga MetaTrader, Exness Web Trader, pwede po nating gamitin habang tayo ay nagtitrade. So, nandito rin po yung mga tools and all about the company nitong Exness. At kung wala ka pang account with this trading broker, pwede kang mag-open right now. Click mo lang po itong register button dito or pwede rin po ito. So, click po natin. Now, if you are using your mobile phone, tuloy-tuloy mo lang i-sign up ang iyong account dahil yung mga instructions and hihingi ng mga informations ay pare-pareho lang naman with desktop ang ginamit. Input mo lang ang mga information na kailangan like this one, the country or region of residence, of course, the Philippines, your email address, and then you create your desired password and click continue. And after that, you need to verify your email. And the final part is itong KYC or pag-verify ng ating identity with valid IDs like driver's license, passport, and among others. And also, ang pag-verify ng ating address. Kaya magpo-provide tayo ng mga proof of address like utility bill, ng water, electricity. Pwede rin po yung bank statement. And actually, sa akin, ang ginamit ko lang din pang verify ng address is my driver's license. Alright? Now, next in our list is itong XM. This broker ay founded po ito last 2009. Kaya around 15 years na po siya nag-exist sa market. And meron po itong over 10 million clients from over 190 countries. Meron din po itong 25 plus secure payment methods, which is dito sa Pilipinas. Of course, nandyan yung GCash, Maya, bank card, at marami pa pong iba. This broker also have 10 plus full feature trading platforms like MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. Meron din po itong sariling web trader and supported po nito ang 30 plus languages at the best part is meron po itong 24/7 pro customer support. At kung gusto mong makapag-explore ng marami pang informations about this XM trading broker, maglalagay po ako ng link sa description ng video natin today. Gaya po nito. And then pwede mo yung i-click and you will be directly routed with this homepage na nasa screen natin ngayon. And pwede mo nang ma-explore ang mga necessary informations na kailangan mong malaman about this trading broker. You can click this trading at makikita natin ang account types na ino-offer po nila, the instruments na pwede po nating i-trade. We also have here the platforms, ayan, the research and education. Ito po yung pinaka-favorable side about XM, most especially sa mga beginners dahil sobrang nagbibigay po sila ng dedication in terms of empowerment and educating the aspiring traders. For me, this is one of the best broker dito sa atin sa Pilipinas dahil meron po itong Filipino Advance Room. This is an educational support exclusively created and designed for Filipino traders. Isa rin sa pinaka-exciting part about XM is ang kanilang promotions. Hindi po ito mawawala talaga. Ayan. So kung makikita natin, the moment mag-open ka ng yung trading account with XM ngayon, meron po itong 100% deposit bonus up to $500. Ibig sabihin, in every time na tayo ay mag-deposit ng ating puhunang pang-trade, example, $100, ang magiging tradable amount po natin will be $200. Allowed po tayo na magkaroon ng bonus na to up to $500. At hindi po dyan natatapos. After $500, meron pa tayong 20% plus na bonus up to $10,000. Kung wala ka pang trading account with XM, you can open an account right now by clicking these green buttons na nandito or pwede nyo rin po i-click ito. And to start the registration process, input lang po natin ang ating valid email and then create your desired password, then register. So tuloy-tuloy nyo lang po yung process pag sign up, and if you are using your mobile phone, wala naman po yung problema dahil lahat-lahat ng mga kailangang informations na ating i-input dito ay pare-pareho lang. And also for the final part, magbe-verify tayo ng ating trading account by verifying our identity with valid IDs such as driver's license, passport, national ID, and among others. And at the same time, i-verify din po natin ang ating address by providing proof of address documents like electricity bill, water bill, internet bill, and pwede rin po yung mga bank account statements natin. Isa sa pinaka ine-enjoy ng mga XM traders ngayon is itong copy trading. And para ma-explore natin ito, click lang po natin itong trading button. Dito makikita natin ang copy trading section. So click po natin. So sabi pa dito, let the experts handle the trading while you enjoy the results. The concept of copy trading, of course, is very plain and simple. Kahit na ikaw ay busy, beginner, or wala pang masyadong skills about trading, pwede kang mag-engage ng copy trading wherein kukopyahin lang po natin ang mga expert trader na nagpo-provide ng mga strategies, and the moment they make profit out of their trades, kikita din po tayo as we copy them. Dito sa XM Copy Trading Platform ay very user-friendly yung interface and madaling intindihin kahit sa mga wala pang masyadong alam about forex trading or CFDs. At kung gusto mong subukan ito at wala ka pang trading account with XM, you can simply click this Start Copy Trading for free or pwede rin po itong open an account na nandito. Alright? Dahil sa di mapigilang popularity ng cryptocurrency sector dito sa Pilipinas ngayon, the final part na ating pag-uusapan ay somehow can't be called a broker directly but an exchange wherein kung interesado ka at may idea ka or naghahanap ng platform for cryptocurrency investments, so ito yon, the OKX. Actually, pwede rin po tayong mag-trade ng cryptocurrencies with XM and XNES, but with OKX, this is an exchange wherein pwede tayong gumawa ng crypto wallet for us to keep our crypto assets. pwede rin po tayong mag-trade ng mga cryptocurrency pairs and gain profits with our investments. So ano po ba itong OKX? This platform gained so much popularity dito sa atin sa Pilipinas dahil sa pagban ng isang malaking crypto exchange recently. Kaya itong OKX is the best platform para sa atin ngayon. So OKX is a platform where investors can buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies. OKX is a global cryptocurrency spot and derivatives exchange and the second biggest crypto exchange by trading volume, serving over 50 million people globally. Kaya sobrang laki din po niya mga kaibigan. As per experience, mas user-friendly po ito with lowest fees compared to other exchanges out there. It was founded by Starsu in 2017, who is also the CEO as of 2023. The president is Hong Fang and the CMO is Haider Rafiq. OKX is owned by OK Group, which also owns the crypto exchange OKCoin. So, ito yung mismong homepage ng official website of OKX. At kung i-explore natin ito, dito natin makikita una yung napaka-basic na function ng crypto exchange, which is itong express buy and the P2P trading. Talking about trading cryptocurrencies, nandito rin po yung convert. Pwede tayong mag-trade sa spot, futures, and available din sa OKX ang trading bots. And of course, meron din po itong copy trading. And you can explore all of this the moment mag-open ka ng account with this platform. And to sign up, para magkaroon ka ng account with OKX, maglalagay din po ako ng link sa description ng video natin, gaya po nito. And then you can click it at dito ka ira-route directly sa sign up page na nasa screen natin. And to begin the registration process, we must put our country of residence, the Philippines, and then click lang po natin itong pag-check ng terms and condition and the next. So confirm lang natin. Ayan. So pwede nating i-sign up ang mismong email na ginagamit natin, but at the same time, pwede rin po yung Google account, Apple ID, Telegram ID, and our wallet mismo. So proceed mo lang ang registration process, napakadali lang po kaibigan, and then for the final part of course is ang KYC or ang pag-verify ng ating identity with valid IDs like driver's license, passport, etc. and proof of address. So that's all lang po muna for our video and I hope nakatulong po ito sa inyo para magkaroon ng dagdag information about best trading brokers dito sa atin sa Pilipinas.